Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to allow blocked pop-ups on Mac. First thing you need to do is to open Safari on your Mac device. In the top menu bar, click Safari and then click Preferences. In the Preferences window, click on the Websites tab, which is the globe icon. On the left sidebar, select Pop-up Windows. At the bottom right, find the setting labeled When Visiting Other Websites and click the drop-down menu. Now all you have to do is choose the Allow to enable pop-ups for all sites automatically. Alternatively, just choose Block and Notify to get a prompt each time a pop-up tries to open. This setting saves automatically. Just close the Preferences window when done, and you're all set. Safari will now allow pop-ups based on your chosen setting. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.